Looking for the perfect electric salt and pepper grinder set? Stick around, and we've tested and ranked 5 of the most popular models so you don't have to guess. Starting off our list in 5th place is the grinder set from Circle Joy. This one caught our attention for its unique gravity-activated feature. Just tilt it and it starts grinding. No buttons, no hassle. Sounds pretty cool, right? But as we dig deeper, things get a bit shaky. Let's talk features. It has a decent capacity, just under 5 ounces, which means fewer refills. You get adjustable coarseness and LED lights, which are always a plus. But what sets it apart, or tries to, is that gravity sensing system. It's a fun touch, but it's powered by AAA batteries, not rechargeable, which means extra cost, extra waste, and it's just not very modern. And that gravity feature, it can be more of a gimmick than a game changer. One slight tilt and it could start grinding on its own. Not exactly what you want in a quiet kitchen moment. This one might appeal to folks who want something hands-off or just love a little novelty in the kitchen. But if you want performance, we've got much better options ahead. And hey, all the grinders we talk about today, you'll find links to the best prices right in the description below this video. Next up, in 4th place, is the electric grinder set from Lidaop. This one steps up with a sleek, rechargeable design that ditches disposable batteries altogether. And we love to see it. It's got a ceramic grinding core, which helps preserve flavor over time. And the one-button operation makes it super simple to use. The warm LED light adds visibility right where you need it. It's functional, straightforward, and doesn't try to do too much. But compared to others, it just doesn't go the extra mile. The build is mostly acrylic, and the spice capacity isn't clearly defined. It does its job, sure, but it doesn't really stand out in design, power, or performance. If you want something basic that just works and rechargeable, Lidaop is a solid pick. Not fancy, not flawed. Also, if you're finding this video helpful so far, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next review. In 3rd place, we've got a close relative of the last one, the grinder set from FORLIM. Think of this as Lidaop's slightly more refined sibling. FORLIM brings a bit more to the table with a clearly stated spice capacity of about 3.38 ounces and a sleek build that combines acrylic with ABS. It's still USB-C rechargeable and just as easy to use, but it feels more balanced and better put together. However, the upgrades are marginal. It still leans on plastic-heavy construction, and while it's a step up, it's not a leap. You're not getting more adjustability, more power, or standout durability. This one's for someone who wants just a little more confidence in build quality without jumping into premium pricing. A reliable mid-range pick that won't let you down, but also won't blow you away. 2nd place goes to the grinder set from TOMEEM, and now we're getting into premium territory. Right away, this one feels different. It's wrapped in stainless steel, has a solid weight, and feels built to last. It comes with multiple grind levels, so whether you like your pepper fine or chunky, you've got options. The ceramic core and LED light are still here, and everything runs on a clean USB-C charge. It's modern, reliable, and looks right at home in a high-end kitchen. Drawbacks? Well, it's a bit heavier, and the capacity, at just 2.3 ounces, is smaller than others, so you might be refilling more often. Also, even the finest grind might be a bit coarse for some tastes. If you're after that mix of performance and style, TOMEEM is a fantastic pick. It's ideal for anyone who appreciates a bit of stainless steel flair without losing out on functionality. Finally, taking the #1 spot is ThermoMaven. This grinder set does almost everything right, and it looks good doing it. You're getting a large 3.7 ounce capacity per grinder, a stainless steel body that feels sturdy, and not just 1 or 2, but 6 grind levels to choose from. Add to that USB-C charging, a built-in LED light, and a really balanced design, and it's clear why this one tops the list. What's more, it doesn't overcomplicate anything. It's simple to use, intuitive, and doesn't ask you to compromise between power, looks, or functionality. If we had to nitpick, it's not dishwasher safe. But honestly, none of them are. If you want a grinder that feels premium, performs consistently, and fits both modern and traditional kitchens, ThermoMaven is the one we recommend above all. A perfect balance of form and function. So those are our top picks, from budget basics to the best of the best. Want to check them out for yourself? All the links are down below in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on reviews.